If you are struggling to bend your knee, then I'm going to show you 5 exercises that you can do to try and improve your range of movement and get more comfortable. My name is Luke, I'm an advanced physiotherapist, and I'm going to talk you through how to do each exercise step by step. The first exercise we're going to do is going to be either on the floor or on your bed at home. Now, you're going to start off with both legs straight. And this is a nice easy one to start off with. You're just going to try and slide your heel up towards your bottom and then slowly back down. Sliding the heel up and slowly back down. If you do find this a bit too easy, you could grab a hold of your shin and just give it a little bit of a squeeze at the end of the range and then slide it back out again. For the second version of the exercise, you're going to need a cushion or a pillow, or a rolled up towel works really well. Now what you're going to do is try and get it rolled up nice and tight, and then you're going to pop that in the crease behind your knee. Once it's there, you want to try and hold on to your shin, and you're trying to get that as high up as it will go. And essentially, theoretically, what you're trying to do is get a little bit of a gap or some gapping in the joint just to try and loosen it off a little bit. Once it's in that position, you're just going to try and oscillate. So just do a few pulses at the end of that range and then stretch it back out again. You might want to do a few mini bends, and then you're going to pop the towel or cushion back under the knee, give it a squeeze, and then just gently pulse. The third exercise we're going to try to improve that knee bend is a mini squat. Now you can do this supported, holding onto something, or unsupported. You're going to start off with feet just past hip width apart. And this is very much a sitting down movement. So you want to try and drive your hips back. Imagine you're sitting down, there's a chair behind you, you're trying to aim to park your bottom in the chair and just work through a range that feels comfortable. If you only want to do a small squat, that's fine. If you want to try and go a little bit lower, that's fine as well. It's just about trying to find that point of tension and tightness and then try and work into it a little bit. It doesn't have to be really uncomfortable, it should just feel like a bit of a stretch on the affected side. The fourth exercise is going to be just lunging a little bit into a step. So we're going to say my right leg, my right knee is a stiff knee. We're going to hold on for support. So if you are using your bottom step at home, you can hold on both sides, banister and the wall. And all you're going to do is get that affected leg in the middle of the step, and you're just going to try and lean into it a little bit and then come off. Lean into it a little bit and then come off. So this isn't a strength exercise, this isn't loads of lunges to try and build strength. It's just about trying to find that point of tension and then come off. And similarly with all of these, hopefully as things warm up, as you get moving, as that lubrication moves around the knee joint, you'll be able to take yourself a little bit further and a little bit further. If you did find this quite easy, you could do it on a higher surface, like a chair, for example. And the higher that leg is, the more bend that you will get in your knee. Okay, but start off on the step and then you could work on to a sofa or a chair later down the line. The last exercise I'm going to show you is a step back lunge. So again, hold on, and you can hold on full support both sides. You could get the back of a chair either side, or a wall and the back of a chair, and you're just going to drop one leg behind you. This is going to be the leg doing the bending. In fact, they're both going to bend, but this is the one we're going to focus on. And you're just trying to lean down into that rear knee and come back up again. Lean down into that rear knee and then come back again. Like I said, both knees will be bending, but it's the rear leg that you're going to focus on. You could try 10 on one side if you've got a bit of stiffness in both knees, and then you could try 10 on the other side. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that helpful. If you did want a more structured approach to managing your osteoarthritis at home, I have put the ultimate osteoarthritis self-help guide together, which you can find a link to in the description below the video. There are plenty more osteoarthritis exercise videos on the YouTube channel. So whilst you're checking those out, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.